concepts of physics. Today we're going to start learning about Newton's third law of motion. But until we get to that point, we're going to take a little quiz. But don't think of it as a quiz. Think of it as me offering you a plate of cookies. Now, you're allowed to take 10 cookies, but you only take 8. It's your choice. So, let's start the quiz. There are a number of objects sitting on a tablecloth. Now, someone pulls out the tablecloth from under the objects. According to Newton's first law of motion, what will happen to the objects? A, the objects will move with the tablecloth. B, the objects will stay in place. C, a major crashing of dishware will occur. Or D, why would objects be on a tablecloth? Watch as Lynette pulls out the tablecloth from under the plate. According to Newton's first law of motion, the plate should stay at rest. Watch what happens. The plate stayed at rest. The correct answer is B. The objects will stay in place. So you chose B. Nice work. C+. So now we're going to start moving through this like grass through a goose. So, let's go on to Newton's second law. The question is, an aircraft gains speed during takeoff due to the constant thrust of its engines. When is the acceleration during takeoff greatest? At the beginning of the run along the runway? Or just before the aircraft lifts into the air? Think, then explain. A, at the beginning. B, at the point right before takeoff. C, neither. Or D, this is a stupid idea, the aircraft will crash.
Now, imagine Lauren as an aircraft, ready for takeoff. Her greatest acceleration was at the beginning.
So, the correct answer is A, at the beginning. So you chose A, constant C+. Nice work. Now that we've gotten past that and you've gotten your cookies, it's time for Newton's third law of motion. Are we not Mounties? Will we not understand this? Let's get to work.
Newton's third law states, whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force of the first object. That's clever.
Go.
Lauren, why don't I fall through the wall when I push on it?
Well, Lynette, when you push on the wall pushes back on you with an equal and opposite force. Newton's third law of motion.
Thanks.
Think of Lynette as object A and think of the ball as object B. A acts on B and B accelerates. Now at object C, A and C kick the ball, object B together, and the ball does not accelerate. The forces cancel each other out. The simplest form of Newton's third law is a hug. You cannot touch without being touched.
Thanks for watching Newton's third law of motion.